Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm the Pashri, and today I've created this very fun look that you can just wear while you're going out with your girls, or maybe you just want to chill at home, or maybe you just want to chill by yourself and go out and have a pizza or a burger, or maybe a ice cream sundae brownie. So many options, so just do it. Yep, this is a very fun look and I really enjoyed this look. I really love it. So let's not waste time and just get into the video. So first I'll start off with spraying my face with rose water, and next I'll be applying a moisturizer from Biotic. This is one of my favorite moisturizers and it's really good. It's a whitening and brightening cream bio coconut moisturizer. So next I'm using a primer. For that I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer in Matte. So next I'm using the foundation from Lakme 925. It's a primer plus matte perfect cover foundation. So I'm using the shade Warm Natural, that is W180. So here I'm just going to blend it with the beauty blender and then also use a brush to blend it perfectly and evenly. So this really helps me get an even out base. So for the concealer, I'm using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in number 25 medium. So I'm just going to use this concealer just to highlight the high points of my face, since I don't want to conceal any blemishes and all. So here I'm just going to use it like an highlighter and use it so. So now I'm just going to fix the base with the MAC Studio Fix Setting Powder. So for the eyebrows, I'm using the eyebrow pencil from Wet n Wild. So for the eyeshadow part, I'm using the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette. So from that, I'll be using the lightest transition shade and apply it all over my lid. Then with the same fluffy brush, I'm going to use a darker transition color and mix it up with the orange shade and just apply it from the bottom of my lid and just blend it throughout. So next I'm going to use this Lakme Insta Liner water resistant eyeliner in the color blue. This is a color that most of us avoid wearing, mostly because we don't know how to wear it on a regular basis. But this tutorial is perfect for those of you who just want to add a pop of color in your everyday look. So here I'm just going to line my eyes, and you can use whichever liner technique you want to use. And you can use whatever eyeliner shape you want to use. Whichever liner suits your eye shape, just go with that. So here I just completed the next eye. So for the blush, I'm using the LA Color Contour Blush 3D palette in the color Lovebird. So I'm just going to use the blush and the contour shade and just mix it up. So for the lips, I'm just going to line it with a Miss Claire brownie colored lip liner. since the blue liner might have got dried up, so I'm just going to do a double liner with another black liquid liner from Lakme. So you can use whichever liquid liner or a coil pencil or whatever you like to do the double liner trick. Now next you can use a kajal pencil or a coil to line your waterline, but here I'm just skipping that, and next I'm just using a mascara from Colossal Maybelline. That is one of my most used and that's my favorite mascara. So for the lipstick I'm using the Nykaa matte lip cream in Chai, that is number 18, and this is the perfect brownie brown color, which is my all-time favorite. This is also my mom's favorite color. So here it is. So next, just to highlight, I'm using the Rosé palette from Colourpop. So I'm just using this gold highlighter and it's really pigmented. And that's all for the look. Now you can just top up the makeup look with eyelashes if you wish to, or you can just skip it as you wish, and that's all for the look. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment and share this video, and stay tuned for more videos like this. So till then, see you and bye bye.